Hello friends, welcome back to my channel Right Android. In this video, we learn how to implement documentation through material designs. Material designs provided by Google library functions. You can use this library function in your dependencies, and we can implement a lots of designs through this material design. And there is need to only add one dependency in your Gradle profile and sample demo. See that like that way can implement a number of material designs through Google Library Function. It starts to implement the bottom mention. Before that, we need to add this about dependency file in a Google file. I will provide this dependency description. We prefer that. Okay. For that, go on activity main.xml. So create here bottom mention here width and height. Right. Create ID here. Okay. Set align parent is bottom and parent bottom is equal to. Before that, we need to create one fragment for changing the view of this when we click on this button. Like on button is home view. When you click on the another one, so we need to change this layout. So we are using a fragment. I think we are discussed fragments in previous video. So don't worry, we are again discuss on this video. So I'm going to back. After that, go on main activity, create your bottom navigation view. After that, bottom navigation view, find UID. Bottom nav. After that, we create one when you declare your on item click listener. So here, automation dot set on animation item selected listener. Here, create now listener. Back create one private bottom navigation dot on navigation item select listener. Create nav listener equal to new bottom navigation dot implement method is false. Okay. Create one fragment for accessing frame layouts. Okay. Fragment fragment set null because of we are not implementing when we launch this application. So we need to show your normally home fragment. When you click on then yes all fragments. That's why we have selected fragment is by default. Switch get item new items get item ID. After that accessing menus here. So we need to create menus. So go on resource directory, create one resource directory. So it set menu resource directory. Create one resource. Create here new menu resource file. Item that title set here. Oh, I think I added here some icons. After favorite comment, access here. Close that. Layout file. Add here menu items. Is here menu items access here. Added. Now go on into the main our class here r.id dot home. So create one fragment class, new class home fragment extends fragment. Here create one view and create layout in filter view group container. And when we select on this home fragment, we need to save the states. That's why we need to create one bundle. Save instance state. Okay, let's return this inflator dot inflate r dot id dot create one layout file here. One fragment. Yeah, create one fragment. Yeah. Background, set background here. When you click on this, you need to change this one property. So create background. Don't forget text here, content. This is not there. Same that one create for recent. Right. For home fragment Java file. And home fragment container false. Save for that. Come for manager Java file. Here create select fragment is equal to home fragment. New home fragment. Break that dot id dot recent select fragment is equal to new recent fragment break for favorite fragments create r.id dot favorite not added here favorites now it's accepted. Then select fragment is equal to new favorite fragment break that return true. When we select any fragment we need to sit on these fragments, so we need to create one get support fragment manager dot begin tradition to replace this files place this layout, so I need to replace it r dot ed dot fragment container to replace select fragments. Okay, select commit dot alright. When we select on uh, when we select when we launch this fragment first time, so we need to show our home fragment. That's why we need to create this home fragment here. So we need to assign home fragment here. Get support manager dot begin transition dot replace to r dot id dot fragment container comma new home fragment dot com. Okay, I think this code is now done. So let's run this application. Now we check that this our code is correct. Now see, this is fragment layout, frame layout not working. Okay, I got one create view. Is a public, that's why it's not accessible. Just to replace this to public on create again. Okay. Again here view public view. Okay, let's launch this application. I think it's okay. There is no need to other changes. Yes, this is our home present.